Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft mods. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first thing that you would need to know here, before you download any mod, make sure that you have selected your mod loader. So mod loaders, what are mod loaders in Minecraft? Minecraft mod loaders are essential, specialized software that allows the game to run community-created mods by acting as a bridge between the code. So these are key Minecraft mod loaders. We have Forge, Fabric, NeoForge, Kilt. Okay, let's say for this example, we're going to use Forge. Now, go ahead and open up a new tab, type down Forge Minecraft. Okay, now go ahead and click on Forge files right here. And then select your game version or Minecraft version. So I have installed the latest one. I have here 1.21.11. So I'm going to go ahead and select it right here and hit on install. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you'll be landed to this page. Just wait for the skip button right here at the top right. And then just click on skip and the download page will pop up. Save it wherever you want. Save. And then after that, you have to download what? Of course, the mod. Okay, again, we have the Forge installer, so we're gonna find Minecraft mods. Okay, now you can go ahead and choose from one of these mods distributors. Okay, CurseForge or Modrinth, and there are some websites as well that gives mods, but these two are popular. So let's say I'm gonna go ahead and use Modrinth right here. All you gotta do, just go ahead over to the left panel, select your game version. Okay, make sure that you filter things out. Now scroll down, and with the loader right here, make sure that it is set to your mod loader. Okay, Forge. Click on it. Now you can go ahead and browse through the mods given in here. So let's say, for example, I'm going to download Zero's minimap. Okay, so click on download right here. Select the game version 1.21.11. or depends on your game version. So I'm going to go ahead and select Forge right here and just hit on download. Now we have the mod. Save it wherever you want. So once you have the mod, well, you can now go ahead and close the browser, install Forge or the mod loader, double click on it and just click on install client, hit on OK, and once done, you can go ahead and delete this now. And then go ahead and open up your Minecraft launcher right here. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead over to Java Edition. Installations right here at the top. Go and find Forge. Click on the folder icon. Go and find the mods folder. Double click. Paste that in here. Okay, or move that in here. As you can see, I have this version of Zero's minimap using Fabric. But now we are using Forge. So just close this one. I'm going to hit on play right here. Play. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, go ahead and click on mods right here, and you'll be able to see that Zero's minimap is available. You can configure this one. If not, just go ahead over to a world or multiplayer. It's up to you. Wait for the world to load. And then once done, at the top right, you should be able to see that the minimap is now working. As you can see here, it's pretty black, but just wait for it as it fully loads. Okay. And once that's done, you're good to go. That's just basically how to download Minecraft mods. As you can see here, I have this cool shader as well. I think this one is BSL. Now, if you want to know how to download and install BSL shader, well, just go ahead and check our channel out. We have a ton of modding tutorials for Minecraft. But that's it for now. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.